Hi there, hope you are doing good. So here I am with some modification on this sheet. So there were two modifications. One was that there was zero plotting. After some value plotting, there was some, it was again coming back to zero, and it was always plotting some 18 values, something. So yeah, it was plotting all of these values, which are 31. So there were always 31 dots for plotting. So I have skipped that criteria. So the only one first value can be zero on the y-axis scale. If after the first value, if there is any value zero, that will be considered as none value, and all of those ratings or numbers will get skipped automatically. So this way we can plot some values, and if it will reduce down back to zero, it will get skipped automatically. So yeah, again the summary is the first value can be zero only on the y-axis, and after that, if there are any values which are zero, those will get skipped. So this is the criteria I'm using now to plot this chart. And the other thing is that you are not sure of how to generate the multiple PDFs using the same. So there is nothing in. Okay, so yeah, I remember the idea. So currently, okay, so currently it is plotting all the values, or it's plotting all 10 CBR sheets. Let me quickly delete those and run the PDF again. So what it's going to do, it's going to go in all CBR 1, 2, 3, 4 till 10, and it will create 10 PDFs. And what was my idea is that if we can find out a way, if we can figure out a variable, if that variable is not available on this any of the CBR, that will get skipped automatically. So that will be the right criteria to plot. Or if you want to do it like this way, that whatever the last selection of the CBR in here, it will only go down to that, and then it will skip. Like if you have the CBR 4 selected, so it will convert only CBR 1, 2, 3 till 4, and it will skip the rest of those. If this is one way to generate multiple PDFs till control. And the other control could be like for example, in the CBR1, there is a value on the P17 value cell. So if there is a value in it, it means there is something getting plotted that can be plotted. So we can pull the values on this one and create a PDF. Similarly, on the CBR2, there is no value to be plotted on P17. It means there is no value to be plotted. So we can skip that, and we can consider, okay, there are no values available to convert to PDF. Similarly, all of these, we can look through all of these and find out value. If there is no value or there is an error on the D18, we can just define a criteria on which we can plot the multiple PDFs. Currently, you can see I have clicked the button and it has generated the PDFs 10:54, which is currently time 10:54, 10:55. So yes, it's creating. Okay, let me show you quickly. The PDF, the first PDF has the chart because it has some values in it, but rest of these will be blank, I guess. Yeah, there is nothing to plot. So yeah, we can use this criteria as well, that if there is something to plot, then convert to PDF. If not, then skip it. Or we can use the second criteria, that whatever the last selection of the CBR sheet here, only go to that sheet and stop converting PDF, like 1, 2, 3, 4. If I'll select 6, so it will convert the PDF to from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and that is stop. So this is the criteria which we need to define to get the right result, like to generate the only required PDFs, and not all 10 PDFs um, every time. So yeah, that is it. Please do let me know what's your response on it, and then we can figure out, we can accordingly modify it. Looking forward for your response. Take care. Bye.